Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing a watch from a brand called Harrow Watches, and the watch is called the Nauticus. Now Harrow Watches are based in the UK. They will be going live on Kickstarter with this sometime in October. I'll put a link into the description box below. And the thing that will make you love this, obviously if you love the design and you love the watch, this is a diver like I mentioned, is the fact that this costs £299 for a Swiss-made STP 111 movement. So if this tickles your fancy, you'll love this, because I believe this is a spec monster and has 2 years of warranty. Now let's get into the box and let's take a look at what's in here. By the way, I don't know what to expect apart from the watch, and like I did say, this is a prototype, so in the future some of these design aspects might change, but not too much. Now let's get into the box and forget about my waffle. So I was curious because I've been going back and forth with the brand owner for some time now, and he has been mentioning this to me, and he's been working on this for some time now. So let's open this properly. By the way, I don't know if I did a wrist check. I am wearing my Nezumi Tonnerre today. I will put a link at the unboxing here in the corner of the screen, and stick around because the review for this is coming very soon, and I'm wearing it on a Vario strap. This is amazing actually. Now let's unbox this. There you go. So that's upside down, so just put that away. Now I don't know 100% if this is going to be the original, the packaging that the watch is going to come in. So let's put that away. By the looks of it, I'm presuming that this will be really heavy box. Just now, how do you? Ooh, there you go. Now just some spare links here. Lovely Jubilee, a cloth to clean the watch. And so let me have a look here. So no double pushers to release, just a press clasp there. Okay, so again, I'm not sure if this is going to be the final product, and obviously some obvious things it might change in the future, but based on the feedback, he might alter some things. So there's that beautiful movement. Now let's take a look at the watch. So this, guys, is the Nauticus. Now let me just give it a bit of a wind there. So let's see if it starts. Lovely textured dial. So it lives, love in the hands. Screw down, very short thread on that crown. Again, this, guys, is a prototype, but so far I'm actually loving this. Let's listen to that bezel. It's very clicky. It's very precise. It aligns, no back play whatsoever. Loving this so far, guys. So this is 41 millimeters in diameter, to my knowledge. Thickness I think is around 12.8 or so. I don't have a full spec sheet next to me at the moment, but this I will go through everything in the full review. But I love the Jubilee bracelet, I love the case back, and I love the fact that this tapers, by the way. So it's 20 millimeters, I think, from what I can see here. Signed crown. Yeah, that lives properly. There you go. Let me just adjust it. 29. Now let me just have a look at the very short. So the date change, that's 10 changes. That's very good. Very short push-pull here, so very short trip, if I can use the term. Very hard to find the actual date function here. Might actually mention that to him. But so far I'm liking this, guys. Again, I don't know 100% if the bezel insert is ceramic, but by the looks of it, it is. I don't think it's stainless steel. By the looks of it, it's not finished in any kind of polish finish that would indicate otherwise. But so far I'm liking this. Let's put put this on wrist and see how it looks like. Let me go through that bezel one more time. I'm curious how the lume will look as well. I will be wearing this for a few days. Oops, hitting the camera there, guys. So it feels like it's been adjusted to my wrist already. It has. It fits like a glove. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. So this is, I think it's 48.5 from lug to lug. Again, this is what I can gather from going back and forth with the owner. But again, 299 pounds for this. Clearly, I don't know. Again, I'll mention to him the press clasp as well on the bracelet, see if that's going to change or not. But so far, I'm liking this. I'm loving the size. And you can see that AR coating coming off that crystal there. So very, very nice. Again, sapphire crystal as well, as you would expect at this price point. But a lovely, lovely watch so far, guys. Now, again, let me just take that. So that was it, guys. So far, I'm loving this. Like I said, this is the Nauticus from Harrow Watches. I'll put a link in the description box below for you guys to check him out, but 299 pounds will get you this. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Click a like, subscribe to the channel, go check Harrow Watches on their website, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.